Hello grade 6. Today we are going to talk about comparative adjectives. As you know, adjectives are words that describe nouns or pronouns. Comparative adjectives are adjectives that compare. When do we use comparative adjectives? We use them to compare two objects or two people or two places. How do we use comparative adjectives? There are 5 rules for using comparative adjectives. Rule number 1 for using comparative adjectives. Adjectives with one syllable add er. So we'll have the adjective plus er plus the word than. For example, Bart is taller than Maggie. Taller than is the comparative adjective. Taller is a one-syllable adjective. We added to it er and we used than. Rule number 2. Adjectives ending with y, change it into ier. So we'll have the adjective that ends with y. We'll get the adjective plus ier to replace the y and the word than. For example, lazy becomes lazier than. Homer is lazier than Lisa. Rule number 3. One-syllable adjectives ending with consonant plus vowel plus consonant, double the last consonant and add er. For example, the word fat. It is made up of consonant, vowel, consonant. We double the last consonant, it becomes fatter with a double T. Homer is fatter than Marge. Rule number 4. Adjectives with 2 or more syllables add more before the adjective. We will have the word more plus the adjective that is made of 2 or more syllables plus than. For example, the word beautiful, which is made of more than one syllable. It becomes more beautiful than. Maggie is more beautiful than Mrs. Burns. Rule number 5. Irregular adjectives that you need to memorize, I know very well. Good, it becomes better than. Bad, worse than. Far, farther than or further than. Much becomes more. So these are the rules of comparative adjectives. We add er for one-syllable words. For example, tall becomes taller than, small becomes smaller than. We drop the y and we add ier. And for the example, the word lazy becomes lazier than. Happy becomes happier than. If the words end with a consonant, vowel, consonant, we double the last consonant. Fat becomes fatter than with double T. Big becomes bigger than with double G. 2 or more syllables add more. For example, more beautiful than, more dangerous than. Irregular forms, good becomes better than and bad becomes worse than. Thank you for listening. Reread the notes again and stay safe.